Hey there, Brainy Hackers. Welcome back to your favorite spot for turning mind-boggling math into mind-boggled solved. Before we dive into the wonderful world of scientific notations, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you find yourself chuckling or learning something new, give us a thumbs up and share the brainy love. All right, now let's get into it. Imagine you're dealing with ginormous numbers, like the distance from Earth to the Sun. You don't want to write all those zeros. It'd take you until next week. So, how do we deal with these beastly numbers? Enter scientific notation, our superhero of the math world, swooping in to save the day by turning long numbers into tiny, manageable ones. Here's the trick. Take any number and express it as a product of a number between 1 and 10 and a power of 10. It's like squeezing a whole loaf of bread into a single slice, still tasty but much easier to handle. Example. Let's say you have the number 4,500,000. In scientific notation, it becomes 4.5 times 10 to the power of 6. The 4.5 is our main number, and the 10 to the power of 6 tells us to move the decimal 6 places to the right. Easy peasy, right? Okay, time for you to give it a try. Convert 93 million into scientific notation. Pause the video, give it a go, and hit play when you're ready for the answer. Welcome back. If you got 9.3 times 10 to the power of 7, you nailed it. High five. But what if the number is super tiny, like the size of an atom? Enter the negative powers of 10. These guys help us deal with numbers smaller than 1. Example. Take 0.0000045. In scientific notation, it's 4.5 times 10 to the power of negative 5. The negative power tells us to move the decimal 5 places to the left, shrinking the number down to its minuscule size. Your turn. Convert 0.00082 into scientific notation. Go ahead, pause and solve. And we're back. The answer is 8.2 times 10 to the power of negative 4. Did you get it right? If yes, you're on fire. Even superheroes have their arch nemesis, and scientific notation is no different. Let's talk about some common mistakes so you can avoid them like the plague. Mistake 1. Misplacing the decimal. Watch out for this sneaky one. If you place the decimal point in the wrong spot, your entire number will go kaboom. Remember, the leading number must be between 1 and 10. Mistake 2. Wrong power of 10. Sometimes, we count the zeros wrong and end up with the wrong power of 10. Double-check your work, or ask your calculator for help. Let's see if you can spot the mistakes. Here's a number, 720,000. Someone wrote it as 72 times 10 to the power of 4. What's wrong with this? Did you catch it? The leading number is too big. It should be 7.2 times 10 to the power of 5. Boom. You just outsmarted a mistake. It's time to flex those scientific notation muscles with a rapid-fire round of practice questions. Ready? Let's go. 1. Convert 6,500,000 into scientific notation. 2. Convert 0.00034 into scientific notation. 3. Convert 0.0092 into scientific notation. 4. What is 5.7 times 10 cubed in standard form? 5. What is 3.1 times 10 to the power of negative 2 in standard form? How did you do? If you're nailing these, you're a scientific notation superstar. If not, no worries. Just rewind and practice again. Remember, math is all about getting better with practice. Congrats, Brainy Hackers! You've mastered the art of scientific notation and dodged all those common mistakes like a pro. Don't forget to keep practicing, and remember, the next time you see a giant number, just say, "I got this." If you enjoyed today's video, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your fellow math enthusiasts. Until next time, keep hacking those brains.